Hello guys, this is Beto from 30-inch Trout. I'm here with one and only snooking around.
What's going on, fellas?
Yes, it is drizzling on this Saturday afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock, or if not already 1 o'clock. So it's a late afternoon fishing, mid-afternoon. So that's the secret spot right there. You see that? That's marker number 325. We'll see what happens. Boom! Oh, trout! Number 2, Padre Sunset.
That's two.
Let it go, buddy. Let it go. Got him.
First cast with a new color. Here we go, we're back.
Which one is it? No name yet? No name, new color. How about that, huh? Exclusive. There it is. Oh!
Top water out there, man. Padre Sunset.
This a trout's got some good.
I'm telling you guys, first cast with.
Oh, it's a nice one.
That's a nice one,
This might be a keeper.
Padre Sunset.
18-incher.
In last episode, we only caught James Red. A bunch of trout. Not complaining.
Trout.
Padre Sunset set on fire.
Might be on that.
Another one.
This one's coming in at 18. Another 18.
More activity. More bait jumping.
Oh! Right up the. Yeah. It's a nice one. Yeah, it looks like looks like another 18, brother.
Go back to the bottom here.
18 on let's see, Padre Sunset. Oh,
17.5.
just 17, too close.
Bye-bye.
3 pockets. Let's see. Oh, I saw it come. Oh, nice trout, brother. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow. Then you wonder why you lose trout that are big, because they want to fight. That's their instinct. Oh, papa. It's a fat one, brother. Fat one. Oh, thank you, God. Monster.
There's only one boat out here at the secret spot today. And the trout are on fire. Hey,
look at that.
Quick measure here on the board.
Just real quick. 21 and a half. It's a trout, it looked like it. Yeah, it's a trout, right? No, it's a red. There you go.
First red of the day. It doesn't look like a keeper though.
Yeah, it might be right at 20. Boom.
In them pockets still.
Nice
one, sir.
¿Eh? Le saqué la muela.
Oh, you're nice. Oh, nice. Oh, that was a nice one.
It's a nice one.
Oh, you're just drifting over here.
He was recording my video, and he got his. Yep, got a 19 here. Happy birthday. Yeah, that's a 20. It's bigger. Oh.
Okay, it might have not been grass for either of us. I'm gonna say it was grass. I don't know.
Ahí viene, ahí viene.
Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not.
It's a big one. It's a monster. Man, that's a big one, Johnny boy. Nice pocket coming. Oh.
Oh, right in that nice pocket there. Coming towards me.
Little red. Little red Corvette. Got him?
Yeah. Telling you, pink's on fire right now. Pinky.
What you got, a trout or what?
The red or no?
Looks like a trout, bro. Eee, it's a big trout. It's a monster, brother.
It always That's some top water. Come on, baby. Peanut time.
Oh, it's a fat one. Nice.
Over 20s.
Yeah, man. Boom. Ooh.
Nice 23-incher right there.
It's a keeper, but it's gonna be released.
It's the end of the day. Come on, boys. Release. Come on, big girl. Hey, bye-bye. Going into the pocket there. Where you going, girl?
I'm gonna hit that again. Never know.
Pocket that one.
What did I tell you? Never know. Ooh, nice one, brother. What did I tell you, that pocket? I did it real slow and let it drop all the way to that, however that deep was. But man, this is another fat one.
21, 22 inches. Damn, son. No.
There you go.
Yeah, Padre Sunset.
Padre Sunset does it again. I got my limit already, so this was going back.
Back to seeing those days like that.
Oh. Yeah, 19 and a halfer.
Half it looked bigger.
Yeah.
Nice and fat.
Here we go. Bye-bye. Just like those deep sea fish. Hello? Good, good. Yeah. No, I mean, we have light drizzle. Already. No, we're drifting and. It didn't do much of a hit. Oh baby, I need you for ceviche. Oh, I need you for ceviche, brother.
Yeah, boy. Red and white. Somebody wanted some red. Yeah, that's a nice one. A nice one there. Did it pretty good. Like you said, it was gonna sound pretty nice. Nice 23 and a half, probably 24 inch.
24 and a quarter.
Nice.
Boom.
Nice. Limit.
Oh.
I told you it was a 25-inch, 27-inch red eye in here. Okay, somebody's gonna have ceviche tonight. Or pretty soon here. Jesus Christ. And red and white. Just some top water.
Hey, it looks foul, folks, so get ready.
Some work here today.
Ready, baby. Make it down.
Meto la neta y se va a enganchar de los troubles. Ah, we've learned that so many times here. Attention time. Attention time. Man. Good job. Okay, bring him around. Get over here. Okay, limits upon limits. Oh! It's a little bit bigger there, sir.
Yeah, that's probably the 25, 26 maybe.
Yeah, because the red and white, man, Why did I give you that red and white? Then on fuego.
Oh, where's the pinky one?
Measurement here.
Oh. Oh my God, it's oversized.
24 and a half or
24 and a half. Ay. All right.